Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see all the details about this hair, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get started. So I've already unboxed this hair. I will leave a clip somewhere over here or somewhere on the screen showing you when I unbox this hair. I got this hair probably 3 weeks ago, but I've been waiting right before I went on vacation to actually wear it and to unbox it for you guys. So I've actually worn it for about 9 days now. Well, I've been wearing it for about 9 days now, and I think I have a pretty good handle on my opinion on this hair. So before I continue, I want to take it off so I can show you guys exactly how this wig was constructed. So unlike the other wig that I had on previously, the other one that I reviewed on my channel, this wig just is a basic closure. Like, not even a closure, it's almost like, I don't even know how to even like describe it. It's like a U part, but then it's not. But it's definitely not a frontal, okay? And I want to show you that it only has about maybe 3 inches, if I can almost like guesstimate, 3 inches of parting or so. Or that they already, perhaps 2 inches that they've already made, right? So they plucked the line for you here, if you can see. I'll show you. They've already plucked the line here, and that's about 2 inches. And the lace itself, you guys can probably get about 4 inches more of it, like a deep part if you wanted to, because the lace goes pretty deep back here, but you'd really have to do a lot of concealing for it to look natural. Now the curl pattern on this wig, I would say it's possibly like a 3, in the 3s. Again, I don't really know the whole curl pattern 3A, 3B situation, but it's a really big curl. So I actually went into the water with this. I was in Greece and I was swimming in the beaches, and the curl pattern is so nice, guys. When it dries, it's actually like a ringlet. So right now it's pretty loose, but because I've been brushing it out and whatnot, but it's actually really nice curl. Generally, this is almost like how the wig is when it comes out of the package. And it's very full. I actually am not sure of the density, but I will leave everything down below in the description bar. This is inside the wig here. Looks like this. The wig does not come with any combs, but it did come with drawstrings to make it tighter, and also an elastic band to keep it secured, which I really like. The other wig that I reviewed did not come with it, but I think they gave it to you so you could put it on if you wish. And they also are so cute that they included this little red pouch that has a tail comb, hair wax, and some bobby pins, an extra elastic band, and some duck bill clips. So now for the slayage, okay? I did not use product on this hair every day that when I was away. What I did was I would either, after I used, like, let's say I did my hair like yesterday, for example, I would just spray it with water, run my hands through it, and then I just activate the product again, and then I would go ahead and go. The only thing before I put this wig on that I find very strange, I'm like, I don't even know what to do with this, is this piece right here. I don't know what this is or what the purpose of this is. And look in here, it's like, what is that? But what I did was, before I went on vacation, I went ahead and tinted this part with my foundation, and I also tinted the actual lace with my foundation as well. Okay, so that's what I did before I wore it. And I did not glue this down, nor did I secure it by sewing it on. So, and it seems as though this wig could only be worn, I mean, you can also wear it on the side part if you wished. But I've been wearing it in the middle part. Okay, so now that I've gotten, and oh, so you see here, you see this? I like to push it back a little bit because I prefer the lace, to be like when it slides back, if it does slide back, which it does pretty often because I did not secure it. When it slides back, I guess this is supposed to keep it concealed, but that's just not the case, and I really hate that that's there. And I think that what I'll do is possibly take it off, but we'll see. So anyhow, now I'm about to jazz it up for you guys. This is my spray bottle. It has conditioner and just plain water in there. I'm just going to semi-saturate the hair. So just a little bit, just enough for it to be a little moist. For the 9 days I've been wearing it, this hair sheds just a little bit. So you'll see once I start, like for example, I have 3 strands of hair in my hand right now, and I've just been finger combing it. And the hair, when it gets tangled, is fairly easy to detangle. I did not keep it on my head. I took it off every single day. So by doing that, I was really able to stay on top of the tangles. Okay, so that's enough. Again, I don't drench the hair, just moisten it. I just moisten it to make sure the top is nice. You see what I mean? Look at this. You see this little piece? That's that. The most annoying thing ever of this wig. The part that I least like. This is the amount of hair that I've gotten just from styling it just now, which is not a lot. And again, this wig is so easy to detangle, like I'm really happy about that. I'm just going to take a little bit of mousse using the Suave mousse. I'm going to take a little bit in my hand here, separate the two, and just start attacking. And that's pretty much all I'm going to be using for the entire wig. I don't put a lot of product on this hair. And what I do is I lean my head like this and I scrunch up, especially in the front because I want the curls to start forming. Alright guys, so that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share with your loved ones, your sil, your flow, your male, everybody, okay? And the family, cousins, aunties, uncles, everybody you can think of. And I really appreciate the support. You guys have been blowing up the previous videos that I've made. Thank you guys so much for the support. Again, if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and share, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. You all set there, bud?